Hello everyone, my name is SudipBhattarai. Today I'm going to present about statistical analysis software. So today's presentation is about what are statistical analysis software and what are some types of statistical analysis software that's available in the market and what we can take into consideration while buying them for our businesses. So first of all, we will start with the definition of statistical analysis software. So basically, statistical analysis software helps us to helps us or businesses to collect, organize, interpret, and present data in a meaningful way. It helps businesses to use analysis tools such as mathematical models and simulations to observe trends or forecast the future. So basically, it means that it helps us to collect the data, organize it, and use some tools to help to see the current trends or forecast the future so we can take um, some appropriate decisions for our business from the insights that are gained from this analysis. So what are some benefits of this statistical analysis software is that it helps us to collect the data. It not only helps to collect the data because they are unorganized, unstructured, so it helps us to organize the data, and it helps in interpretations and analysis. After that, it also helps in the visual presentations like in the form of graphs, so it is very easy to communicate the information gained from the data to the stakeholders in the business. So next are what are the features of statistical analysis software. So basically there is it helps in reporting and analytics of the data. It helps in the reporting of the insights that is gained from analysis of data. So there are different type of analysis we can do with the help of the statistical analytical softwares. So first one is regression analysis, which can be linear, polynomial, or logistic. So it's just to see the relation between the two variables or like more variables. We can do the regression analysis, we can do multivariate analysis, we can also do time series, which is a very complicated model. So there are very less statistical analytical softwares which actually provide the time series analysis in a very accurate manner. There are also some statistical simulations that are provided by these softwares, and at last there are some data visualization tools which helps us to communicate our information that we gain from all these analysis to the people. So this is the basically some saying from Tim O'Reilly. So it says that we're entering a new world in which data may be more important than a software. So what it means is that this software won't exist without the data. So we need data for this software to work on. So what are the areas we should focus when we select different types of statistical analytical softwares which are available in the market? First one is business needs. So for each type of analytical software, there's a licensing cost. Some are very expensive, some are very cheap, and some are maybe free. They have their premium version as well. So according to our the size of our business, small, medium, or large. So according to that, we consider some licensing cost and also business requirements. We don't need expensive softwares for our small businesses. We have to see what we are looking for. For example, if I just want a visualization tool, then I will just pick a software which just provides the visualization tool rather than picking a software that provides all, because I'm not going to use all of them. Another is learning curve. Learning curve means that how fast you can learn all the features of this softwares and how easy is it to implement in the business. So first of all, it should be easy to learn and it should be easy to merge with the old businesses. So it should be able to, and the transition between old and new should be smooth as much as possible. So what are the some trends that we can see nowadays in market with this kind of softwares, statistical analysis softwares? So first of all, people are looking for AI and ML augmented. So now people don't use this software just for raw statistical methodologies or tools. So they want AI and ML included in this um, learning. So what happens is the data which are getting collected, organized, this should be all the insights gained should be from ML. So it should be from machine learning, right? So in that way it is more accurate, and it also can handle a lot of data. Another self-service analytics will scale up. This basically means that as the businesses are going, so small, there are a lot of businesses, small, medium, and large. People want small people don't want to spend a lot of money on the human resources for the analytics. So they want some automation for the analysis, and also ease of use. So they don't want people with they don't want software which requires a great deal a knowledge of coding. So they want softwares which actually give you easy access without the knowledge of programming as well. So for this presentation, so I have selected some four analytical software that are available in the market. So some of them are Origin Pro, Matomo, Electrics Designer, and GraphPad Prism. So we'll look into each of these softwares. So Origin Pro has some 500,000 registered users. So these users come from 6,000 companies, 6,500 colleges, and some 3,000 government agencies and research labs. So one of the features that Origin Pro gives you is that it offers batch plotting and batch analysis without any need for programming language. And some of its features are multivariate analysis, regression analysis, data visualization software, but unfortunately it does not provide you with the forecasting with this time series. So another software is Matomo. So this is the analytical software which is used by more than 1.5 million website solutions. So this software is basically used for visualization purposes rather than other uh, regression or multivariate analysis or forecasting. So this is specifically targeted toward the people who wanted to visualize the data rather than do some analysis. Another great software is Electrics Designer. So Electrics Designer is launchpad for automation breakthroughs. It converges analytics, data science, and all the process into one. It can be deployed on the cloud and on premises. It's very used to use, and no knowledge of code is required. It provides you a robust GUI, which helps people to easily navigate and access the software. So it includes all the features which are forecasting, multivariate analysis, regression analysis, data visualization software. So this software is very great for all the big companies who want data and analyze on them and use those data to predict something or do some analysis, and also use them to visualize the data to communicate with other people. The last is GraphPad Prism. So the GraphPad Prism is basically used for regression analysis and visualization purposes, and it's a very popular software. It's used it has 750,000 users worldwide, ranging from college students to Nobel Prize winners. Um, this software is this software basically targets towards the organization that works specifically on global life science. So these organizations who are working in global life science sectors actually use the softwares for analysis and visualization purposes. So out of all these four softwares, in my opinion, Electric Designer is the best software. Some of the reasons are like it provides all the features essential such as forecasting, multivariate analysis, regression, and visualization. Not only that, it is available on the cloud and on premises. Mm, and the learning curve for this software is also not very steep because you don't require a lot of knowledge of coding to use this software. So it provides a lot of advantage over that. It also provides a very powerful GUI and a robust GUI for data analysis, so people can easily navigate and can easily learn how to use this software rather than taking a long time for getting used to it. The last but not least is like it has AI and ML integrated into it. That means that it uses ML and AI for data analysis and provides insights from those analysis. So it provides you with a very not exactly accurate but very accurate results. So in my opinion, out of all these four softwares, Electric Designer is the best software. So that's all for the presentation, and thank you. My name is Sudip Bhattarai. Thank you for listening.